I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove BMW Z4 headlight. First, gather your tools. You will need a T20 Torx driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a trim removal tool. Always ensure your BMW Z4 is completely off and the engine has cooled down to avoid any burns. It is also a good idea to place a soft cloth around the headlight area to protect your paintwork from accidental scratches during the process. This preparation saves time and prevents damage. Now let's get started. Open your BMW Z4's hood and look directly above the headlight assembly. You will see some plastic trim pieces. Use your T20 Torx driver to remove the two screws that hold this trim in place. Once the screws are out, take your trim removal tool and carefully pry up the plastic trim. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. This step exposes the main headlight fasteners, making the next part much easier. With the trim removed, you will now see 3 more T20 Torx screws securing the entire headlight unit. Go ahead and unscrew these 3 fasteners. Once they are loose, gently pull the headlight assembly forward. Do not pull too hard, as it is still connected by an electrical harness. Reach behind the headlight and locate the main electrical connector. Press the small tab on the connector and carefully pull it apart. The headlight unit is now free and can be safely removed. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. First, reconnect the electrical harness to the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Then, carefully slide the headlight back into its housing, aligning it properly. Reinsert and tighten all 5 T20 Torx screws, making sure they are snug but do not over-tighten them to prevent stripping. Finally, replace the plastic trim pieces. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This easy method helps you maintain your BMW Z4's lighting system effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.